All right. Hello, everybody. My name is Josef, and I come from this organization called MAN. And I work in a project which is we are out in the schools here in Gothenburg, and we meet the small kids from age like 8 to 9, 10, I think. Yeah. And we talk about equality. We have five classes. In the first one, we talk about feelings, emotions. The other one, we talk about violence. The third one, we talk about equality. The fourth, we talk about consent. And the fifth, I don't really know how to say it in English. Perspective. Like bringing the bystander.
I think it's really important because before you started with these classes, there was a lot of, they sent email to me and said, oh, I'm so happy that you are bringing this up. Because sometimes it's really hard to talk about feelings, and they are talking, and it's also good after you have left. They are really into this, and they are talking, and what we was doing today, if it's okay if I give you a hug, and no, don't do this, no, you are not allowed to do this. So I think it's they have been really into it because they know how to act after you have talked to them. So I think it's really important in this world actually now, because I think it's more okay to say no. Before it was not. Now we have lifted up a little bit earlier for the kids. Before it came more when they are older.
I'm out in pretty much all the recesses, and I noticed that it's actually changed the way they fight and how they talk to each other. Before it was often like, oh, he pushed me, and oh, he called me that, and he did that, and this and this. Now it's calmer. It's even if something happens, they often deal with it themselves. They don't come to me and ask me to help, and like they learn how to manage both their own emotion, and also when they see that other people are angry, how they can help them. And it's a very important thing for them to learn, because sure, I can help them now when they're small, but as they get older, they have to do it on their own, and it's very important for them to learn. And I've noticed that it actually helps.